How you doing, folks? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 67 Plymouth GTX. It's done in a stunning silver metallic, black interior. Super nice car. See the grille, headlight bezels all look real nice. They are the originals. The original front bumper on the car, real nice condition. Nice and slick down the sides. Tell you, I really like the scoops on the hood. They're just tough looking on these cars. Super nice car, guys. It's got your Magnum wheels. This car, I believe, come out of Texas originally. Just a super clean body. The underside of this car is super nice. See all the tail panel trim and taillight bezels are real nice. Taillight bezels been re-chromed and the rear bumper's been re-chromed. Tail panel is the original. And it's in excellent condition. See, the car's nice and slick down the sides. All the door gaps and fender gaps and everything are real nice on this car. Now, this does have the original 440 in it. It's been all rebuilt. It's all professionally built. Got a nice cam in it, aluminum intake. It's got your billet valve covers on it. It's all MSD ignition upgrade. It's got your aluminum radiator with dual fans. It's a factory air conditioned car. They've updated it with the newer, better compressor. A little cleaner looking. Got all ceramic coated headers on it. It's got power steering. And the thing, gentleman told me the car makes about 500 horse. And I actually drove the car to a show this past weekend myself. And it's got a lot of power, guys. It's a blast to drive. See how nice and clean all the doors are, and interior new door panels in it. You can see all the chrome on the dash. It's real nice. Got the deluxe wheel. Headliner real nice, looks new, as well as the rear seat covers. Now they did put a Cheetah shifter in it, a performance shifter, and the buddy console. But I do have the factory original center console and shifter that goes with the car. Super nice car, guys. I tell you, it's really hard to find these cars this nice. They're just not out there like they used to be, guys. Seeing the trunk looks real nice. It's the original center console there. Does have factory AM FM stereo in it. It works. Got a trio of gauges under the dash, keep a better eye on the motor. Just a super nice car. Jams real clean and nice. And again, this is the original 440. It's been all redone, just pounds the ground. Fires right up. Sounds good. So it's just a super, super nice car, guys. Sounds really good out the exhaust. Got 3-inch exhaust on it. Tough sounding car. These Chryslers have a sound all on their own, you know. Just good sounding cars. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.